Now let us discover owner's login for the VAST client grid system. We are logging in as owner of the Songbirds project. For the owner tenant society manager, we need to add the project code through which the app will be customized for that project. So now we are logged in as a owner for this project for particular flat. Now, as you can see on the left hand side upper corner, there is a drawer. First option we get is add project. Now this add project is if the owner is having different flat on the different project for the same real estate group, then you can add the new project flat through this button. There is FAQs. These are the frequently asked questions for the real estate group. Then there is do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts for the real estate group. Then deactivate tenant. Owner's tenant can be directly deactivated through this tab. Then there is notifications. These are the notifications which real estate group wants to show to the owner tenant society manager. In this case, owner. Those notifications are listed and get expired automatically on the expiry date. Then there are brochures, user manuals, change password, and change contact email ID, and log out. So let us discover FAQs. These are the FAQs added by the real estate group. So once we click on them, you can see the details. Then do's and don'ts, list of do's and don'ts. Then deactivate tenant. So this is the current tenant for this flat tower 1111002 number flat. If we send a request, it will be directly deactivated through this tab. Then there is notifications. Then brochures. These are the new upcoming projects for the real estate group. When clicked on this project icon, it will be redirected to that project details page. So real estate group can advertise through this tab. Then there is user manual. This is the user manual which can be downloaded for this project. Then there is change password, change contact email ID. This contact email ID is the email ID where all the emails will be sent to. Then we can see add project. For adding a new project flat, we can click add project. So owner needs to enter the new project code, which is assigned for that new project. Later on, he will select the flat number which he owns. The request would go to the admin of the real estate group. And after approval, owner will be able to log the requests. Now, in the main home screen, there are list of requests over here previously made. Now let us add one request by clicking the plus icon on the right down side. So if we click the plus icon, automatically the unit number and building number is selected, which is added in the admins panel. Now owner just needs to give the description of the request. and he can select or click the new photo up to 5 MB size. So let us add one photo for the socket failure. So we have added one photo for the socket failure. Then he can select the preferred date and time slot. So let's select one preferred date and time slot. Then just click on save. So the new request is raised successfully. So this tower 1002 flat number socket failure new request is registered into the system. This is how the owner would be raising a request. So if we click on the request, all the details with the image is shown to the owner. Here on the next tab, there are completed requests also. So if we see, there are no completed requests right now. And in the third tab, there is requests raised by tenant. So these are the requests raised by tenant of this flat, which is owned by this user. So if we click on the request, it will show the details of the request raised by tenant. Now, after adding multiple requests, owner can search the request by this request number. So if we see there is a request number 3060 and then he clicks the search icon, then that request is searched, so he can directly trace it. So this is the way simply owner can raise a request in an instant. Thank you.